Hello homeowners, my name is Evan James. I'm the warranty coordinator for Long Built Homes.
I'm Gordon Cruz, warranty technician.
Today we're going to show you how to do a grout repair in your home. It's very easy to do a grout repair. We left you grout downstairs in your basement. You just have to look on your Bible to make sure that it's color matched. We take a little disposable cup and we put a little bit of grout inside there. To mix this, you just add water and you want to make it into like a peanut butter consistency. That's what you want. Nice, rich consistency. Get it to like peanut butter consistency. Now we'll start on the grout repair.
Let me help you with that.
Well, thank you.
Finger.
Now that we've located the spot that we want to repair, and we've thoroughly mixed our grout to a peanut butter consistency, we're going to use our grout finger and follow the grout line. You simply fill it in. To do this, take the grout, put it on thick, drag it right across, filling in the small gaps that you're seeing. Do the entire spot that you're trying to grout. It's very, very simple. Let's see, it's split going up as well. If you need more grout, just simply pull some more grout from the pre-mixed stuff you've already mixed up. And fill those small holes in. Once you've done that, you can take a sponge and wipe the excess off. This helps clean up the tile all around it. And that's simply it. Once you do that, it'll dry. It'll have the same color as the other dry grout. So now that I've gone ahead and done my grout repair, I'm going to let that dry for 24 hours. Once I do, you can grout seal it. I like to use the spray-on grout sealer. You can just go along the lines, spray it, and you can mix it in with this little cheap 99-cent chip brush. Just mix it all into it. The grout sealer helps protect it. It'll make it last longer. It'll make it waterproof, so when water hits it, you can tell if it's sealed or not, because if it's not sealed, it'll turn darker. If it is sealed, it'll stay nice and light and the color that you want it to stay.